How to pay Atome using bank transfer. Now, this process or method is the actual simplest thing to do. So say for example, you have to be comfortable of the e-wallet or depending on the application that you'll be using by paying Atome. So this is your general bank transfers or sending out funds to a certain bank. So if you're gonna be using a different platform, say for example, you're gonna be using Gcash, then all you have to do is just to head directly to local bank transfer. Now after that, all you have to do next is just to simply click or choose on your Atom bank directly from the application that you're using. Now, the third step is going to enter your Atom loan card number or maybe your Atom account number. And once you have hit up your Atom account number, that's the time that you will input the specific amount on how much you will be paying. The next thing to do is there is an actual charge of a bank transfer fee depending on what bank you're using. Now the last option or the last thing to do is just to click or hit on confirm. You would also be receiving a receipt once the payment was successful. So that's how you pay Atom using bank transfer.